The next title is the very short yet immensely captivating introduction to the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as presented in this concise yet ornamental biography written and narrated by Sheikh Yusuf Islam. Personally for me, this was my introduction into the seerah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam many years ago when I purchased the audio rendition, which at the time was available in the form of a cassette. This audio presentation was accompanied by a book containing the same information, and I found these two resources to be most effective in providing the basis of my understanding of the Prophet's biography. The audio tape was also the first to be made widely available to the English-speaking audience. Since then, there have been several audio collections from various lecturers and authors, but none have been so concise and iconic as that of Sheikh Yusuf Islam's pioneering work. But whether you read the book or listen to the audio narration, this biography is beautifully presented and very clear in its delivery. The story is linear and follows a chronological order, focusing more on the personal struggles and character of the Prophet Muhammad rather than the political and military conquests. The author's literary style is very clear, well referenced, and highly captivating, making this a much recommended book for beginners and a great stepping stone towards the study of intermediate level books on the seerah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.